Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Fit Pro earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Maybe they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not working, or sound is coming out of only the left ear or only the right ear. A hard reset to factory settings will fix a lot of these issues. You will have to repair the earbuds to whatever device you were on, but if that's okay with you, we can go ahead and start. It's very easy to do. All you're going to do is put the earbuds in their case, leave the top open on the case, and then we're going to come in and press and hold this button for several seconds. You're just going to keep holding it, and you will know that it's done. You're just going to keep holding it until this indicator light will blink red several times. Once it blinks red several times, hold it for just an extra second or two, and then you can take your finger off, close the case, wait a few seconds, and then open up the case. You can take your buds out, and then they will start to pair again with devices, and you'll need to add them to whatever device you want to add them to at that point. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.